Hello and welcome back to Jules Math Tools. In our session today, we are calculating the circumference of our circle when we're given the radius and we're using the diameter formula. And if you want to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our formula today, we are using the diameter formula when we're given the radius and asked to calculate the circumference of our circle. Now, here's a side note that you must remember whenever you are working out a question like this. You must remember the relationship between your radius and your diameter. So remember that it's 2 times the radius that is going to equal to the length of the diameter. So that means to calculate my diameter, I'm going to take my radius of 7 centimeters and multiply it to 2, which will equal to 14 centimeters. So for this question, my diameter is going to be equal to 14 centimeters. And if you think about their relationship, remember that it takes 2 of these radius. So if I was to draw in another half, remember that the 7 centimeters plus the 7 centimeters is what will give us the full length of our diameter. So this measurement would be correct. So now let's dive into calculating our circumference. And we are using the formula for the diameter. And we were told that our pi is equal to 3.14, and that will be multiplied to our 14. Okay, so let's begin our calculation. So we have our 3.14. That's going to be multiplied to our 14 centimeters for our diameter. And let's begin multiplying by 4 first. So 4 times 4 is 16. We put our 6, carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 will give us 5. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. We're going to add in our 0 and then begin multiplying by our second digit. So 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times 3 will equal to 3. We're going to now sum our numbers together. 6 plus 0 is 6, 5 plus 4 is 9, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. And to input our decimal point, let's go back to our numbers. So we have 2 digits behind the decimal point here, no digits behind the decimal point in our 14. So in our answer, we should have 2 digits behind the decimal point. So we'll count 1 for our 6, 1 for our 9, and input our decimal point right between our 3 and our 9. So the measure for our circumference for this circle will equal to 43 and 96 hundredths, and that's centimeters. Okay, so there you have it. We just calculate the circumference of our circle when we're using the diameter formula and we're given the radius. So make sure to get some additional practice in on these type of questions, and we'll see you right here in the next video on Joe's Math Tools, where we make math easy.